Hello, in this video I'm going to talk to you about what the host should do before a meeting, an online meeting. If the host has created the event from the eTwinning live page, then the host can enter the room 24 hours before the meeting and make some preparations and arrange some settings. So the first thing that the host should do is to go to the meeting and then choose preferences. Now, in the preferences, he can make some arrangements here, some general arrangements about the photo in the background, how the names will be displayed, and the audio conference. This is very important because this box is the last one. It says allow participants to use microphones. Now, this is very important to decide, because if it is a meeting between classes, then the children want to see their partners. And if we have a meeting among teachers who plan a project and there are 3-4, then they all need to use their microphones. If, however, we have an audience of many people, 50 people, then we don't check this box, because that way it will be a confusion and we don't want that. So the next one is about the video settings, the microphone settings, and some other settings. But we go to the last one, the whiteboard. Here we have two boxes, and we need to check these two boxes because they're not checked originally. And with these boxes, we enable the participants to draw in the whiteboard, and we enable the participants to export the image that will have been created on the whiteboard. Having made these arrangements, we click on Done, and we are ready with that. Then we go to the camera up here. Again, if we have a large audience, we don't need to have video cameras from the participants. If, however, we have a short meeting with a small gathering of classes and teachers working on a project, then the pupils want to see their partners, so we enable the webcam for the participants. We need to make sure that we check this, enable webcam for participants, otherwise the participants won't be able to use their cameras if we don't check this. Now, after we make these arrangements, then we need to decide which layout we are going to have during the meeting. Is it going to be the sharing layout like this one? Is it going to be the discussion layout? Or is it going to be the collaboration layout? Or should we create another one that is going to meet our needs? Now, this is another choice that we make. Now, another thing that a host should prepare before the event is go to the pods and create a poll. If the host needs to have a poll during the online event, it will be advisable to prepare the poll in advance. Prepare everything, write the question, write the answers, and then hide the poll so that it can be taken out and appear at the moment that the group needs to take the poll. And something which also takes a lot of time during an online event, and it will be a lot easier if the host prepares that in advance, is to share the document. Now, here I have already uploaded a PDF file, which takes a little bit of time to upload. If we want to add a PowerPoint presentation, which takes a lot more time, then we go to our computer and we try to find a presentation, or let's say if we have a presentation on the desktop. So we have, you see that the presentations are really huge presentations, and so let's say, okay, this one which is smaller, but when we choose to upload a file, it always takes some time, and this time is really wasted when it is during an online event. If we upload this file prior to the meeting, it will be saved on that white box that we saw earlier, and that way it will open very quickly. So it already takes some time for this PowerPoint to upload. So I will just cancel it and show you that if we have uploaded earlier, then we just click on it and we check OK, and then immediately it shows on our screen. That's why we need to upload the big files before the meeting. So according to the tasks of the event, the host needs to make some arrangements, some preparations, and be ready when the time comes. So good luck with your online events.